Gallimimus. Most dinosaurs were massive in size and consumed huge amounts of food. Some of them were herbivores and ate only plant products. Some were carnivores who ate only meat. Still, some were omnivores who consumed both plants and meat. Gallimimus dinosaurs were omnivores, so they ate plants and meat. One fine evening, while a group of Gallimimus was out in search for food, they came across some easy target to hunt. They all planned and attacked together. They kept on catching enough prey to enjoy a hearty meal until they saw a tree laden with fresh, ripe fruit. So they started gorging on them. What the group didn't realize was while they plucked fruit, their hunt was being dragged away by other meat eaters. In their greed for more, the Gallimimus forgot to take care of what they already had and unfortunately lost it. Lily learnt a lesson. As little kids, we don't realize how hard our parents work to get us things, and we just keep demanding for more. Lily was just one of those kids. She cribbed and cried and demanded thing after thing from her parents. One day she asked for a new dress. The next day she'd ask for a new toy. But one particular evening she demanded a doll that she'd seen someone else playing with. Lily's mummy and daddy loved her very much, but wanted Lily to respect what she already owned and not to take it all for granted and throw it away for new things. Lily was disappointed, but she was a smart dinosaur. She understood exactly what her parents meant. In her quest to get the next best thing available, she forgot to enjoy what she already owned. So Lily stopped her old ways and made her parents feel very happy. Snoopy Troubles. Mona and Tony were best friends. They always played together and enjoyed each other's company. One pleasant evening, as they played near a cave, they heard some fighting noises coming from the inside and were curious to find out what was going on in the cave. Slowly, they approached the cave, but Mona stopped midway. She reminded Tony about how her mother had once told them both that it was always wise to mind one's own business and not snoop in on others. But Tony wouldn't listen. Curiosity had taken over the best of him, and he went closer to the cave alone to find out who was fighting inside. As Tony stood on the cave opening, a long tail coiled around him and swooped him inside the cave. Mona rushed to get help, realizing that the fighting noises were nothing but a trap set for Snoopy kids like Tony. Growing up, Bob was a triceratops. He had 3 huge horns on his face. He lived in a herd and always had someone to take care for him and his things, which made him feel carefree and sometimes irresponsible. On his birthday, Bob was gifted a brand new sharpener for his horns. These sharpeners cannot be bought but are specially made by the elders in the herd, and it is a privilege to have one. Bob wasn't a little dinosaur anymore and was growing into an adult who needed to care for himself, and his mother expected him to do so soon. One morning, Bob decided to sharpen his horns before heading out, but he couldn't find the sharpener. He looked everywhere but couldn't find it and was almost in tears when his mother brought it to him and made him realize the importance of caring for things to avoid such situations.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.